Low battery, please start the engine. Well, if you say so. That's your timing chain, and it's come loose. That is why I think she's here. Hello everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike coming to you from, this is Copart here in Oklahoma. I am here looking for all kinds of cars and trucks, and maybe you're going to find something that you might be interested in as you join me on this journey. We're going to start out this video with a nice looking Beamer that looked like somebody just kind of smashed it like a pancake. Yeah, here she is right here, 2015 BMW 650i XI, okay? This is the 4-door version. You can also get them in the 2-door version, but this thing is just so low and squatty body. I love it. I really, really do. We'll give you a front view right here. Look at this thing. Look how wide it is and how low it is. Yeah, your Kia is way taller and your Hyundai is way taller and way thinner. This is a good looking car. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we do have, well, okay, this apparently is plastic, and we have, this is kind of cracked right here. You remember the CL500 Mercedes? I've had 2 of those, and they had plastic fenders, and then, you know, the metal here and here, and these things always crack because when you're working on them, as you do with every Mercedes, you work on it a ton, you're leaning right here and you crack it all right through here because you got to reach the engine. This is metal, metal, metal. That felt kind of plasticky right there. Okay, this is the X-Drive, so it's all-wheel drive. As far as damage, I don't see any. I don't. I like the blacked out windows right here. Why are you here? That's my question. On so many of these cars, they look like they're perfect. Lost type is normal wear. Okay, well, let's see. We will be the judge of that. Oh, the window went down, so there is power. Look at this inside. That's nice. There's a definite BMW smell. Okay, so you really do. You get 2 seats back here because you have all kinds of controls there in the middle, which is nice. And they got that seat all the way back. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, we got the little emblem right there. And I think we have some power, which would be fantastic. So let's see. Uh-oh. That does not sound good at all. Yeah, that is why I think she's here. This is why you need to come and check out these vehicles, okay? This says the service, and now it's kind of stopping. 127,000 miles. Next service due, 6/23/24, 127,000 miles. Now the tapping is quit. What's our mileage? Oh, are you going to be a little, you know what, and not tell me the mileage either? It's not, because we're almost so low on gas, I guess. But let's check out the engine just to see what that was. There's something loose up under there. Air conditioner works good though. That's a plus. Is it the belt? What is that sound? Twin power turbo. I'm afraid to look in there. Yeah, I think that's the timing chain. I don't think that's a nice sound at all. So we're gonna turn that off before something goes bad, and then we can kind of poke around in there. See, that's not normal wear. Okay, she survived the start, but holy moly. Whoops. Okay, let's just kind of see. I can't even see if there's a belt on there. There is so much in the front of this engine. Look at your alternator hidden right there. Wow. So your timing chain is going to be like right in through here, which is going to be a joy to get to. That's going to be a big old problem. Yeah, I think it's best just to slowly walk away. We'll put this back on. We'll leave her like we found her. But yeah, this is a mess. Yeah, okay, there it is. Yep, okay, there she is. Ugh. Yeah, that's an issue, okay? So that's why it's very important to come out here and check out these cars. She's been here a while too, because we have cobwebs everywhere. And look at the little piston here for this part. Wow. Not only a spring, you get a little bit of shock to push the hood up when you open the hood. That's fancy. That's overkill though. That's Anything in the back? There's no engine cover, no extra parts. You get your service packet right there. And let's see. Oh, that's all the room you get. Here we go. There's your battery. Okay, right in the middle for weight distribution. And you get a little toolkit right there. All right, well, 650i Grand Coupe or Grand Coupe. Thank you for letting us check you out, but that tick, that's a thing. We got to keep looking. Well, here's another gorgeous vehicle for you. 2015, yep, Land Rover, Range Rover Sport. Sporting one of the typical problems, the suspension. Yeah, she's squatting like that a little bit. I guess it should be like that. There you go. That's what she looks like in real life. Yeah, we have an issue with the suspension in the back, but there could be all kinds of problems with this. These are so prone to mechanical problems. We have Michelin tires on the front. We have, what is this on the back? Accelera? Never heard of that one. On the back, I don't see a whole lot of damage with this. Let me kind of squeeze through here. I think these are such good looking vehicles. I really do. I don't see a whole lot of damage other than a door ding right here. This one is an Accelera, again, on the back. That's almost bald. Got a good sized door ding right here. And you got your Michelin on the front. 275, 45, 21s, thank you very much. And it's in black, which looks really great. White, I think, is the best color for the Range Rover Sport. But this is a good looking car, absolutely. Let's check out the inside. See what she's got to offer. Well, this looks new. This looks really in good condition. Have I found like the perfect fishing hole? Well, okay, here's another one of the common problems. These just let go and you got to redo them, which is, I mean, you can get the headliner out of the back, but there's a lot that has to come off to get to that. And you got to get a big old table and flip it over and get your glue and spray it and all that kind of stuff. It's a problem. The front looks good too. Look at the seats, very little wear. So what kind of mileage do we have? Low battery, please start the engine. Well, if you say so, I absolutely will. Okay. Not the smoothest start. 124,835 miles. It says the tailgate's open. Tire pressure monitoring set for light load. Ignition is on. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. I guess that's because the door's open. Here's your screen. This is nice. Let's do our current position. 68 degrees. We'll go down to 68. AC is on. It does not seem to be too cold. Left front door open and the tailgate is open. Let's push this little tailgate button. Can you see what's happening back there? The tailgate's opening. Okay, we'll push this button again. and the tailgate is closing. There we go. Now it thinks that it's, yeah, now it's really closed. Okay, so let's close the door. Ugh. And I've always loved this. I've always loved how they put the window switches right here. So as you're cruising down the road, see, you don't got to do a whole lot to get all the windows to work. Oh, I think they're all going to work for us too. That one had not been rolled down in a long time. That one is good. All right, perfect. There we go, into drive, nice. Reverse with our backup camera, that's nice. We'll push park, put her into park. Yeah, this is, oh, it's cooling down now. Oh, this is nice. Okay, well, let's go look at the engine. Can we raise the car at all? Ooh, those are sticky. Okay, well, it went up. So the pump is working. That's good. Have a little bit of scratching there on the wheel. So you just have a slow leak. She's raised to the gods right here. The engine sounds a little weird. Did I pop the hood yet? I don't think so. Okay. Here we go. And here we go. Everything looks pretty good. Can you hear that one sound though? Maybe it's another idler pulley or something. It's a weird sound. It seems to be coming from like right down in here. Look at your service ports for your AC system. We'll get rid of this. Oh, supercharged. I just noticed that. Well, okay. Now, the loss type on this is normal wear. Look how they have two hood latches to hold the hood closed. That's nice. Well, I'll tell you, she is a looker. She is gorgeous. And the fact that this popped right up, absolutely. Anyway, 2015 Land Rover, Range Rover, in really nice condition. Mechanically, and I guess some cosmetics are questionable. All right, so let's move on. We have us a 2017 Jaguar XE, and it looks almost white, but it's really like a very, very light gray. This is the sporty, smaller version. You get a couple of engine options. You can get the 4-cylinder turbo or the 6-cylinder supercharged that put out, what was it? I think 340 horsepower. Yeah, it comes in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. You get an 8-speed transmission. I don't know what this car offers. They said, this is all Consumer Reports. Yep, right there. Back seat is very, very tight. Yeah, you don't get a whole lot of room right back there. And they said the front is not as opulent as you might expect from a Jaguar. This is kind of different how this thing comes out around here. You have the Meridian sound system. Let's see if she's got some power. She is dirty. She is a hot mess. Low battery, please start the engine. Okay, we can do that. Smart key not recognized. Reposition or place. What do I do? Ay, ay, ay. Please start the engine. I am trying to. Reposition or place as shown and press start button. Place as shown. Where do you place it? I don't even know. So the key is not recognized on this vehicle right here. So let me just kind of show you the engine. Someone's been in here. Yeah. We'll close this back up. And it's kind of an oily mess down in through here. Okay, I think this is the 4-cylinder turbocharged. If I was a guessing man, this has been off. Oh! Well, here's a problem. Oh my gosh. So that's your timing chain, and it's come loose, and it's been eating at the cover right there. Whoa. So it's no wonder. Yeah, that's the problem. Look in there. Yeah. I mean, it might start. It would be sounding very, very weird with the rattle and everything else. And this isn't even on right. Yeah. Oh. So she's been spewing oil through that hole in the upper timing chain cover right there. So this car, but I mean, you have access. I mean, if you're trying to be positive, it's been throwing up oil for who knows how long, but there is access to the timing chain. It's right there in front. You can remove all this and probably get to it. Your antifreeze looks okay. The rest of the vehicle looks all right. What did it have on the window? Non-damaged. It said it drives. They say this thing drives. Okay. Well, would you be afraid of that? Are you afraid of a little bit of work putting on a new timing chain or the tensioners? I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. This is a great conundrum that we have here. All right. Let's move on. And of those three vehicles, be sure to let me know which one you would rather have in your garage. I know I like one, maybe two, maybe all of them. I don't know, but I do want to give a big thanks to everyone here at Copart for letting me come out here and check out these cool cars and trucks. There goes another one to a happy buyer right there. So Copart.com is the place to go. They also have an app. It is very easy to use. You don't have to be a dealer. You can sign up, pay the deposit, and you have access to literally thousands and thousands of cars, and you can save thousands and thousands of dollars. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye.